Hi everyone, welcome to the second day of science focusing on the seasons. Yesterday we were able to color winter and spring. Today we're going to color summer and fall. I made a mistake in on the next page. We're going to have to cut these, which is about this much of it. So we're going to draw the leaves higher up for fall. So in summer, when I think of summer, I think of the sun. That is what I think of. Oh, so first I'll color my trunk. The days get much longer, and that's not because of the sun, it's because of the tilt. So there it is. I think of much greener. So as in the spring it was just kind of gentle, now it's very green. Or if you live in a desert, I guess it'd be, which we do, it'd be kind of brown because it gets hot. Then I'm going to draw my sun in the background because it's a really hot time of year. Okay. And you can draw whatever you'd like over here. I'm just going to color my tree green because that's what color the leaves turn after the flowers fall off the tree later in spring. Okay, so I did that pretty fast. Once again, you're welcome to just pause the video. Okay, maybe you want to color the sky a nice blue. It's a fun day to go outside. Okay, and then my next one, once again, even though you can color that if you'd like, but it will be cut off. So I'm going to draw the leaves higher, so I'm going to color my tree brown. And in the fall, we are kind of in the middle. We're not super cold, but we're not super hot either. Things kind of cooled down. We go back to school in the fall, well, nearly the fall. But the leaves are changing colors. They're getting ready to fall. And you can think of some of those colors that they fall. Now, because I'm going to cut this, I'm going to put my leaves higher up. So I'm just going to draw them like that on the side. And once again, sorry about that mistake. Sometimes the leaves are brown, especially when they fall on the ground. They kind of die, you know. And maybe there are still a few green ones. You know, once in a while there are a few hanging on. And then some orange, okay? Because our leaves fall in the fall, right? In the autumn. That's another word for fall. And so you can pause this video. I'm just going pretty fast so that I can just show you how to do this. And you can keep coloring your leaves any color you'd like that are fall colors: brown, orange, red, yellow too. I almost forgot yellow. Yellow's a really pretty color that we see in the fall too. And maybe this time it's a little stormy. Kind of gets a little cold in the fall. Or windy. I'll draw the wind whistling by. Okay everyone, I will talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully that was fun for you. Bye.